Yo, what's going on guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we have my first ever all AMD build, so let's just jump right into it. Starting off, we have a Ryzen 5 3600X, a TUF B450M Pro Gaming motherboard, a 650 watt power supply from Corsair, a Wi-Fi card from Amazon, a 120mm fan from Deepcool, and I'll link both of these in the description, a 1TB SSD from Crucial, 16 gigs of Vengeance RAM from Corsair, an RX 5700 XT Thick Edition with 2 Cs, and a Fractal Design Focus G case in gunmetal gray. In Cinebench, this stock CPU scored 1395 while screen recording and 1434 while not recording. The score seems quite a bit lower than my previous test, but that's probably because I was downloading a game in the background and I was in a time crunch to deliver this PC to my client, so I couldn't retest it.
Literally right here.
Stole dropping into the area. Watch the sky.
Now I don't know if it's a setting with this video card, but I noticed the colors really pop with this video card compared to my RTX 2060. Now all the settings were stock with this video card and CPU. I pre-wired a extra SATA cable in the drive tray so in the future my client can just plug and play another hard drive. Overall, I think this is one of my top builds because the gunmetal color of the case and how all the components match and the white LEDs in the intake fans make it look super clean. Now if you aren't subscribed, what are you waiting for? And if you have a moment, please check out my gaming channel for funny proximity chat videos and high kill games. One caution if you're going to use this motherboard and case is that the motherboard does not have enough fan headers, so you will need to get a splitter if you plan on installing more than 2 case fans. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and I'll see you all in the next one.